Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial. I'm Tiago Gomes, the creator of Hellphior games, and today I'm going to show you how can you change your cursor icon and how can you make your cursor visible and not visible wherever you want in your game. First of all, if you haven't watched yet the pause menu video, go and watch because it's very important for this tutorial, so make sure you check it out. If you already have your pause menu, let's go. We can do everything. So first of all, I have downloaded a cursor that I'm gonna use. I have a lot in here, but we are going to use probably this one. Okay. And on the pause menu we have a script attached called pause. We need to open it and we are going to make some changes. Okay, if you want you can create another script and attach it to the pause menu, but I don't think it's necessary. So let's go into the pause menu script, and first of all we need to create a public texture 2D and we are going to call it cursor. Okay, this is just so we have the possibility to drag our cursor icon that we are going to choose. It could be this one, and drag it in here. So this is the image of the cursor that we are going to have inside our game. What I'm gonna do here is when we are playing the game, we are not going to be able to see the cursor, okay, the mouse cursor, but when we press the button to go to the pause menu, we are going to be able to see the cursor. So to do that, we need to put in here inside the start a simple line of code that is this one. So cursor.visible equals false. So when we start the game, we are not going to be able to see the cursor. Okay, we are going to use this line. You can copy and put in here on pause. So when we are pausing the game, this needs to be true, so our cursor is going to be visible. But when we go back to the game, to the resume, we need to be false again. Okay, so this is very simple, I think, and you can change it whatever you want in your game, in pause menu or outside in the main menu, whatever you want. You can try to search for change to different cursors and images of cursors for each button, but we are going to do just a simple way. And to make this work, we need to create a private void. This is basically a function. I'm gonna call it mouse icon. You can call it whatever you want. And inside this, we need to make sure that our cursor is basically doing whatever you want, that is changing to the image that we put in here on the texture 2D. So cursor, we need to select the name of the texture, and then vector 2.0 and cursor mode dot force software. This simple line of code, just what makes is change the image of the texture of our mouse cursor. Okay, but it's not in use. The function is not in use. We need to copy the function and put on update. Okay, inside of update. So this is making sure that we are using the function that we created. Okay, so everything all right. Let's check it out if it's working. What should do is when we press play, you'll see that we have no mouse, you see no cursor, but we can play. And I'm gonna press the key of the pause menu and poof, we have the cursor again with the texture that we choose, and we click again and we are playing and we have no cursor. So I hope you enjoyed. This is a very simple video. I like to make these videos because you can search this online, of course, very simple, but maybe sometimes you have to search for answers on websites and stuff to find out these simple answers. So this is a simple video that you don't have to search anymore for this, and I hope this helped you a lot and helped in your game. This was how I did it in my Kalgani game. So hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching, and I see you guys next Sunday. Bye bye.